Students, we have already done simple subtraction sums and also subtraction sums with borrowing. Now you all must be thorough with this topic. Now based on this, let us learn how to find missing digits in subtraction sums. Okay, now in the last class we have already learned that the number from which we subtract is called as the minune, that is the first number. The number which is subtracted, that is here the number is 3, it is called as the subtrahend, and the answer or the result is called as the difference. Okay, now if you know this very well, which is called as the minune, which is the subtrahend, and which is the difference, you will be easily able to find or do the sums based on missing digits. Let us start with an example. Now before this, always remember that minune is always difference plus subtrahend. Now here we have to find minune. So if you add the difference and the subtrahend, that is 7 plus 3, you will get as 10. And if you want to find the subtrahend, you will always subtract, that is minune minus difference. Now here if you want to find the subtrahend, that is the second number, 10 minus 7 will give you 3, that is subtrahend. So always keep this in mind, minune is difference plus subtrahend, and if you want to find the subtrahend number, you will always subtract, that is minune minus difference. Okay, now let us start with an example. Now see here in this slide, some question marks are there in the boxes where you have to find the digits there. The coming will start from the ones place. Here 5 minus, that is question number, digit is not given and the answer is given as 3. Now 5 minus which number will give you 3? Now here second number means you have to find the subtrahend. Now I have already told you to find the subtrahend, it is always minune minus difference. Now what is your minune? Your minune is 5, and what is your difference? Your difference is 3. Now 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, so your answer is 2. You'll be getting the answer as 2. Now in the coming to the tens place, you have to find the minune. Now what is minune? Minune is always difference plus subtrahend. Now here the difference is 1 and the subtrahend, that is the second number, is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2 here. Here it will be 2 and here also it will be 2. Now coming to the hundreds place, it is a direct subtraction sum, 3 minus 0, so your answer will be 3. In the thousands place, again you have to find the minune. So minune is subtrahend plus difference. So 2 plus 2 will give you 4. And in the 10,000s place, you have to find the subtrahend. So subtrahend is nothing but minune minus the difference. So 8 minus 3 will give you 5. In the lakh place, minune you have to find. So 4 plus 2 will give you 6. In the 10 lakh place, again you have to find the subtrahend. So subtrahend is minune minus the difference, that is 9 minus 3, that is 6. Now after this you can just check your answer by subtracting it whether you are getting the difference. We'll just check the answer. Okay, so this is your answer. Now let us start with some exercise sums of from 2.2. Here you have to find the missing digits again. We'll start from the ones place. 4 minus 3, that is 1. In the tens place you have to find the minune again. So 1 plus 1 will give you 2. Again, if you want, you can subtract and see 2 minus 1 whether you are getting the answer as 1. In the hundreds place, you have to find the subtrahend, where you will subtract minuend minus the difference. So 6 minus 4, that will give you 2. In the thousands place, it is a direct subtraction. So 3 minus 0 will give you 3. 10,000 place, you have to find the minuend. So again add the difference and the subtrahend, that is 3 plus 1, that is 4. And subtract and see whether you are getting 4 minus 1, 3 has the answer. In the lakh place, again the first number, that is minuend, you have to find. So 6 plus 2 you will add and you will get the answer as 8. So 8 minus 2, just check your answer whether you are getting 6. Now again in the 10 lakh place, you have to find the subtrahend. So 7 minus 4 will give you 3. Subtract and see, 7 minus 3 is 4. So in the next slide, the answer is given. You can just check the answer from here. Okay. So wherever the question marks are put and wherever the answer is written in red, that is the answer. You can just subtract and check your answer with this slide. Coming to one more sum. Here it is a 8-digit number. Okay, so wherever the question marks are marked with red, you have to find the digits, missing digits. We'll start always from the ones place as usual. In the ones place, again the first number you have to find, that is the minuend. So you will add the two numbers, 2 plus 1. So you will get the answer as 3. Now 3 minus 2, just check whether you are getting the answer as 1. 9 minus 4, if you subtract it, you will get the subtrahend. So your answer will be 5. So 9 minus 5 is 4. Again in hundreds place, minuend you have to find. So you will add subtrahend and the difference. So 4 plus 3 will give you 7. Now check simultaneously whether 7 minus 4 is 3. Again in thousands place, it is a direct subtraction sum. 6 minus 0 is 6. In the 10,000s place, again you will add the two numbers, 3 plus 1, that is 4. Check 4 minus 3 whether you are getting as 1. Again in the lakh place, same thing, you will add the numbers 3 and 2. You will get the answer as 5. Now 5 minus 2, it is 3. 10 lakh place, you have to find the second number, that is the subtrahend. So 9 minus 4, you will do it. You will get the answer as 5. Check the number 9 minus 5 whether it is 4. In the crore place, again it is second number you have to find, that is the subtrahend. So 6 minus 5, you will get it as 1. So 6 minus 1, you will see the difference whether you are getting it as 5. If you want, you can just check the answer from the next slide. Okay, do the subtraction sum on your own and you can check the answer from the next slide. Coming to the one more sum, here it is, read the sum. You have to read it from the sum of 52,64,180 and 67,92,354. You have to find the sum of these two numbers. Now sum means we have already learned, that is you have to add the two numbers. That is the two numbers you will add, and then from that, from the answer or from the sum whatever you are getting, from that answer you will subtract, that is 38,24,748. So first what we will do is we will add the two numbers, that is these two numbers 52 and this one, and from the answer of this you will subtract this number. So we'll make a table and write the number first. We already made a table here. So 52,64,180 plus, when the word sum is given, you will add the two numbers. You will add 67,92,354. Same way, starting from the ones place, 0 plus 4 is 4. 8 plus 5 is 13. 3 you will write. Carry 1 to the hundreds place. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. In the thousands place, 4 plus 2 is 6. In the 10,000s place, 6 plus 9 will give you 15. So 5 you will write. 1 you will carry out in the lakh place. Then in the lakh place, 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. So 0 you will write it down and 1 you will carry out in the 10 lakh place. Now 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 2 we will write here and 1 you will carry out in the crore place. So your answer is 1 crore 20 lakh 56,534. If you want, you can place the comma and then read the number. It is 1 crore 20 lakh 56,534. Now this is the answer after adding the two numbers. Now this is called as a sum, which we have already learned in addition, that when we add two numbers, the answer or the result is called as the sum. Now from this sum you have to subtract this number. Okay, now we'll make a one more table and subtract the number from the sum. Now say in this table I have written the sum as the minuend and the second number, the subtrahend, is 38,24,748. So this number has to be subtracted from the number, that is 1 crore 20 lakh 56,534. Now starting from the ones place, now for 8 cannot be subtracted from the number 4. So what we will do is we will borrow from the tens place. So here the number in the tens place will become as 2 and in the ones place the number will be 14. Now 14 minus 8. So count the number after 8. Now when you count the number after 8, you will get as 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 has the number 6. Now in the tens place, 2 cannot be subtracted from, 4 cannot be subtracted from 2. So from the hundreds place, you will borrow the number and in the hundreds place, the number will be 4 and in the tens place, the number will become 12. Now 12 minus 4, that is 8. When you count the number after 4 till the number 12, you will get the number as 8. In the hundreds place, 4 minus 7, again you cannot subtract, so you will borrow from the thousands place. So this will become 5 and this will become 14. Now 14 minus 7 is 7. In the thousands place, 5 minus 4, it is a direct subtraction. You'll get the answer as 1. 10,000s place, it is 5 minus 2, that is 3. In the lakh place, it is 0 minus 8. 8. So you cannot subtract from 0. So you'll make the number, borrow from the 10 lakh place. This will become 1. And when you borrow the number from the 10 lakh place, in the lakh place, it will become as the number 10. Now 10 minus 8 is 2. In the 10 lakh place, it is 1 minus 3. You cannot subtract. So you will borrow from the crore place. Already it is 1. So this number will become 0. And here the number will become 11. Now when you count the number after 3 till 11, you will get it as 8 as the answer. So when you place the commas, you will read the number has 82,31,786. Now based on this, you'll have some assignment sums, that is wherever the question marks are put, you have to find the missing digits. Keep the table in the mind where minuend, if you want to find the minuend, that is it will be subtrahend plus the difference, and if you have to find the subtrahend as a missing digit, then you will subtract, that is minuend minus difference, that is whatever is the answer. So complete the home assignment. We'll start with a new topic in the next class. Till then, stay safe and enjoy doing your work. Thank you.